Nerd people. Joel Benjamin 528, aka Big Money Benjamin. Do we got a live stream for you tonight? Let me drink my tea so I can warm up. Yo, I be trying to do this early, but I be having so much information to pack for you. We're going to get into AI will boost gold and silver price. Silver shortage 2024 to 2025. Yes, people. We been in a silver shortage. And the price of silver is going to go up like crazy. Now, I know you probably saying, there you go capping again, Big Money Benjamin. Salute to the YouTube audience. Salute to the Rumble audience. All right, let's get this live stream going. I see my man on Passive on Fire tuning in. Salute to him. He said, greetings. Let's get this show on the road. That we shall. Without further delay. Of course, as usual, let me share my screen so you all are able to see what I see. So I'm going to give you a summary. Let's do a quick breakdown, shall we? Just to show you that I've been going over this, telling you, we're going to go through this real quick. Breeze through it. When y'all watching, y'all come in, say hello. Don't just be there watching. Gonna make me think y'all one of those that just be trying to cipher up the information. Okay, so one of the last times I spoke about gold, as you can see, is 2 months ago. But what I really want you to see is 4 years ago, right here, I did this live stream telling you about the gold, that you need to get gold and silver. And this is when it was way cheaper, right? Let's move to here. Now, in this one, the epic rise of silver, surviving the great reset, the greatest reset ever, the 2021 stock market crash. I put this out 3 years ago. You see it right there? 3 years ago. So y'all can understand and see. Let's move on, because we going to move quick with this. Of course, I had a next one where I'm talking about XRP, and we're going to get into all this tonight. Have your pens and papers ready, okay? With XRP and gold and everything else. This was 5 months ago. And then I also hit you another one. Cyber pandemic, the merge of gold, silver to a digital currency, XRP, XLM, 5 months ago. Now, a lot of y'all don't like paying attention. So, what I'm going to now do is put y'all on to something. We're going to talk about at-cost metals, right? At-cost metals, I'm going to send you the information for this. You want to get this, and you want to get this ASAP. It is by far the cheapest, most affordable way to get gold and silver, right? We are going to focus on you getting silver around this time. Okay? Now, mind you, you're probably going to say, yo, but Joel Benjamin 528, what about crypto? Listen, we're going to get into that. Look at me. Listen to me. Look at me. Listen to me. Look at me. Listen to me. I I got something to show you. A lot of people are buying gold and silver and they're not buying MS. See, this is MS 70. A lot of people, I'm trying to teach y'all something here. A lot of people are buying gold and silver and you're buying it in lumps. You're buying the raw form, right? What you don't know is when you buy it as the actual coin or certain or different types of actual coins, it rises the value even higher. Okay? This is very important for you to know and understand. Currently, well, I shouldn't just say currently. Over the years, the silver market has been manipulated. Stay with me. Please stay with me. And when other places where you're buying the silver and gold, platinum and palladium, they're giving it to you at a higher markup price, right? We're going to fix this. We're going to make you not just a believer, we're going to make you knowledgeable. That's why I said have your pens and papers out, because what's going on in this system and the great changeover, I spoke about this before, but it is more dire now than ever before. Y'all know when I come out like this, it's real. I'm putting a link up there. Sign up to At Cost Metal. One of the things people have a problem with, they go to link. For people who's not watching live, it will be pinned in the comment section and it's also in the description. Now, one of the things I always hear, and I'm always like, gosh, damn, they're right. People will say, well, I could get all this gold and silver. Two things I hear them say: I can't eat gold, which you really can. That's a whole nother subject. There's a way where you could ingest gold. That's why they're taking gold and silver, believe it or not, and they're laying it on steaks, especially the gold. You ever heard of Salt Bay? You know, when he go like, you sprinkle the salt after you finish cook the steak. Well, and the people that's paying exorbitant amount of money for steak literally lined with gold, and they have the gold locked up in a vault along with the steak, by the way, in a freezer vault. I'm not exaggerating. You can look that up yourself. Okay? These people are eating gold and silver. I just want you to process that. I know I spoke about this before, but for the people who are new, I gotta do a refresher for you, because I don't believe people know how important this really is. So for the people that's joining in, you want click that link and sign up to At Cost Metals right away. That's the link. One of the things people say is, oh, I can't eat the gold and silver. You know, me taking one of these and just, it ain't happening. Gonna hurt my teeth. I ain't gonna get full, right? Ooh. Could y'all hear me? Could y'all hear me? What's going on? Was that my fault? Hold on, people. Boy, oh boy. Once again, the ills of going live. You just can't make this up. Okay. I should be good. Yeah. Let me put my background. I gotta do this right. I gotta have a proper background for you. I just can't see the plain walls. Hold on, people. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. You figure they'll do better with this too. These are the ills of going live. See, now this is gonna bother me. I'm not doing this live stream and not have this set up right. Hold on, people. I got to stop doing these damn live streams. Wow. This Mercury retrograde been bringing technical difficulties. Can y'all hear me? I tried to do one thing and it took it off on the other. All right, so like I said, one of the few things. Sorry about that, people. Remember, we're in Mercury retrograde. These things will happen. People saying they can't eat the gold and silver. Granted. The next thing people are saying, well, if something go down, how would I be able to cash my stuff out? That's a good question. With this link I gave you here with At Course Metals, right? They will buy it for you just a tiny smidge below spot price. Nowhere else is doing that. And they're not charging you. If you want them to hold on to the gold or silver, they're not charging you. And when you want it, they literally deliver it to you. This is way better than any one of them that I ever dealt with. Now check this. We're already at the 13-minute mark. Gosh, damn, really? I want to go fast because I don't want to hold y'all up. Take a whole bunch of y'all time. All right, let's do this. I'm going to put this link for y'all again. All right, let me take this off the screen. Now, y'all are not paying attention what's going on. This is really, I should have put warning emergency live stream for this. We're going to go do a timeline. Chinese gold buying picks up after holiday. India premium price. This was since October 10th, 2014. 2014, right? This is Reuters. Yahoo Finance is quoting Reuters, right? Buying activity in China, physical gold exchange ticked up this week, indicating retails in top consumer of the metal saw good sales during the week-long National Day holiday. Listen to me carefully. This was from since 2014. We leave that and go here. How the Hunt brothers anybody know about the Hunt brothers? Cornered the silver market and then lost it all. They've been manipulating the silver price for the longest. And silver is actually, believe it or not, rarer, more rare than gold. Y'all should know this by now, especially if you watch Joel Benjamin 528. Okay? Look up the Hunt's brothers. It's two brothers, and they were manipulating the silver market. But wait, they're not alone. They're not alone. The silver has been purposely manipulated to stay at a very low cost for years. All that is about to change, especially with the coming of AI. Stick with me, people. So I'm showing you this. This is an article from since 2014 to show you how long the price has been manipulated so they could accumulate. Okay? And they've been doing this so what, back in 1980? Listen, anyway, let me continue. I gotta move fast. J.P. Morgan Chase. All right? And Co. You gotta add that and Co in there because it's important. J.P. Morgan Chase and Co. agrees to pay $920 million in connection with schemes to defraud precious metals and U.S. Treasury markets. These people was literally manipulating the market around the world. They had to pay almost $500 million, mind you, and that's nothing compared to what they really racked in. They've been manipulating it from 2008 to about what is it 2014. And in this article they tell you right here, according to admission and court documents between approximately March 2008 and August 2016, numerous trades and sales personnel on J.P. Morgan's precious metals desk located in New York, London, and Singapore. Pay attention to the Singapore part. That's going to get very important later down the line in this live stream. Engaged in a scheme to defraud in connection with the purchase and sale of gold, silver, platinum, and palladium futures contracts. Collectively precious metal future contracts. All right? These people been manipulating the market forever. This article is from since 2022. That goes to show you how much, and I know the majority of you haven't heard about this before. This is why I'm bringing it out to you, and I'm looking to show you so you can get a better understanding and know why this is so important. This is all leading up. Because while they've been manipulating it, they've been accumulating it. And you haven't been buying any gold, any silver. You haven't been doing none of that, right? I know you haven't. And if you have, you've been spending how you say, an extra amount of money that you shouldn't be having to spend. This is CNBC News. JP Morgan. Yes, JP Morgan Chase pays 900, pay record 920 million to resolve US investigations into trading practices. Okay? Now, when you go down here, they had to deal with the CFTC and the FTC, believe it or not. But mostly it was the CFTC that really drilled them. And in here, the lawyer that was going against them was saying, well, we wasn't satisfied, and they were giving a sweetheart deal because they made billions of dollars off of this, and this is all they had to pay in a fine. Unacceptable. Now, this is why I said this is an emergency. Silver shortage. You all don't know, we are currently going through a silver shortage. Silver shortage, a closer look at market dynamic in 2024. All right? The price of silver may not be reflecting the intensifying silver shortage. It's intensifying. It's a matter of time until silver supply shortage will push the silver price much higher. They're not going to be able to stop it. And they're not able to manipulate it like before because the spotlight is on them. The spotlight is on them. So they got to be real cool about it. Okay? They're not able to do like how they did before. Not only that, in case y'all don't know, all these electric vehicles and a lot of electronics, they use silver. So the price of those stuff is about to go up, just so you know. Just thought you'd like to know. Is the silver market breaking out? The short answer is yes. Silver is in a breakout process, and it might be preparing to move to our predicted price target of $34.70, provided it clears $28. Now, mind you, they are already reporting that silver could possibly go up to $100 an ounce. But I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm only showing you this so you could get an understanding. Mind you, remember the 2008 crisis. That's when JP Morgan Chase looked to take advantage of that. The Hunt brothers was taking advantage of that before. Now, the silver crisis, this is world year away from running out of silver. The silver crisis has already manifested in coin production. Remember, I told you, one of the ones you want to get is the silver coins. You want to get MS. Coin production. But is about to get much worse. The U.S. Mint announced in 2010 that it had run out of silver bullion and was forced to suspend production of American Eagle silver proof coins. Look, silver supply cannot keep up with demand. This is the silver supply. Okay? Look, and this is the silver price per ounce. Look at it. It's in high demand. If these trends in silver, in silver supply and demand continues, we'll face a dramatically worsened scenario in just a few years and could run out of silver by 2020. People, we are in 2024. And I'm here to tell you, we already have ran out of silver. The car is out of gas. It's running on fumes right now. Wake up. Wake up. That's why they're trying to digitalize gold and silver. Nope, excuse me. That's why they have digitalized gold and silver. But I'm jumping the gun. Stay with me. Stay with me. So I pull this up just to show you, right? Let's go even further with it. The silver surge, anticipating big moves in 2024 and 2025. Silver is poised for a major surge in 2024 and 2025, as suggested by the gold to silver ratio, hinting a historic opportunity. Hinting a historic opportunity. For y'all that didn't get that. Hinting a historic opportunity. Okay? Gold already hit a record high. Silver is next. And it's going to melt faces. Because all other countries been collecting and collecting. Once again, I'm jumping the gun. So you saw when that article was, that's recent. Silver set for a terrific year and could outperform gold to hit a 10-year high. This was in 2024. This is February 2024. CNBC. Okay? Now, this is the global silver demand forecast. Right? After a challenging 2023, a projected recovery in listen to this, a projected recovery in customer electronics will provide an additional lift to the silver industry market. Come on, people. Despite uncertain economic conditions in some key markets, the Department of AI-related application has seen several consumer electronic brands preparing to introduce new products which should favor silver. Jewelry demand is expected to record a 6% rise, and India will contribute the bulk of gains this year. This follows a sharp pullback in 2022 when India demand weakened after a post C19 surge in 2021. They've been lining y'all up. They're telling you after a challenging 2023, 2024 is going to be that year. So this is why you see me post this up. I'm going to put it in the description again, because this is the cheapest you are going to get these precious metals. You know I am the source when it comes to this. You're going to click that link and sign up, and I'm going to tell you why. Because when you sign up, you could get the year subscription. Let me be clear. Or 18 months, however much is up to you. You get that. You buy the gold and silver spot, and then when you sell it back to them, they give you the highest amount in your gold and silver when you sell it back. So you see, silver 28, silver reach, let's say $100. Let's just say $100. And they will take it. Keep in mind, not everywhere will take your silver and gold back either. And when they take it, they ain't giving you no $100 back. You're lucky if you get what? $90, $95 back. Let's say it goes up to $100. With At Course Metal, once you're a subscriber, let's say it goes up to $100, let's say you get it for $99.50 when you sell back. And they have to, I don't want to say they have to take it, but that's part of their motto, the company starts, so they have to take it. Other places don't. I need y'all to understand this. For y'all that got gold and silver and holding on to it, a lot of y'all do not have MS coins. MS. All right? A lot of y'all don't have that standard right there. MS. That's your damn problem. Okay? That's your problem. Some of you, oh, I got silver, got a whole bunk of silver. Let me tell you something. Real quick. 2 stories, sidebars, very important. 2018, 2 dudes of mine I work with. At the time, I know the gold company. Y'all know I put it on here before. I told them, yo, get the gold and silver from there. It's going to go up. Buy yourself a coin or a certain amount each time. It's going to go up. You're going to come out big time. This was in 2018. Why 2024? This guy sit down with me and he's telling me, him and his home and a mutual friend of ours, right? He's telling me how they had lunch and they brought me up and they were like, yo, you know how much money we made had we listened to Benjamin? They're like, yo, he was telling us to buy it and we didn't listen. You don't be one of those people. The next story. You know, me and Brother Divine, we deal with the gold oil, right? So we would have the actual 1 ounce gold bar. Real 24 karat gold we're using. Shave it, so now it's ½ an ounce. Went to the diamond district. I said, well, okay, yeah, if you want to sell it, sell it. We went to sell that. You think they would give us half of what the price of 1 ounce is, right? Wrong. The price dropped dramatically because they said like, yo, it's damaged. When we got to do it now, we got to melt it down, do everything. We don't want that. It drops the price dramatically. So when you come in with your little lump of silver and your little lump pieces of gold, and you think, oh boy, I'm about to get the bag. Silver and gold done going up. Yay! Eh, 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 womp, womp. It's not happening. And if y'all don't know that, that means y'all haven't been dealing with gold and silver, or you haven't been dealing with it long enough, or you haven't been put in a position where you need to sell it back. That's the problem. Let me continue. All right, so we understand this. I want to show y'all something. Once again, I'm going to share this screen. You know what? Nah, let me do it like this. Bear with me, people. Ilza going live as usual. I want to show y'all this. Because I want, and everything I'm doing a lead up. When I'm done with you, you will be very knowledgeable, educated, and people will not be able to pull the wool over your eyes when it comes to dealing with gold and silver. But I need y'all to know how serious this really is. And share my screen again so y'all see what I see. China. Come on. This is shift gold, right? China importing silver at record pace. India's clinch tightly to gold. You know when this article was? December 7th, 2015. December 7th, 2015. They've been letting you know. China, I remember coming out 2018 telling you how China was urging their people to buy up all of the silver possible. But once again, I'm jumping the gun. Let's do this. Make sure y'all see what I see. Buying into, oh, come on. Buying into poor man's gold. China investors jump on silver. February 1st, 2021. This article is from 3 years ago. Are you serious? And I know y'all didn't know this. Chinese investors rush into silver investments on Monday, pushing up Shanghai's silver price while boosting performance of retail stocks and funds, matching calls by global retail investors to boost prices of the precious metal. Come on, people. Why is the biggest consumer of gold China and Russia? Y'all forget they're looking to do the BRICS currency, but you know what? That ain't proof enough. I got you. I told you, when I'm done with you, you'll be good to go. This is Reuters, by the way. This is Reuters. For people that need credible sources. That's Reuters. Okay? But let's continue. Because, again, I'm not trying to be here too long. But I got to give y'all the source. China almost certainly owns... the commercials, they got to get paid, people. China almost certainly owns more what? Gold than the U.S. Here's why that matters. Come on. Do I even need to get into this article right here? Do I really? China has mined roughly 6,830 tons of gold since 2000. This article was from 2022. All right? And it tells you right here, if you thought the West was unprepared for inflation or indeed for Russia, wait and see just how unprepared it is. This bombshell. This is the biggest story in world finance, and yet nobody but interpret blogger is reporting on it. The big news is not even reporting on it. Well, now remember, this is from 2022. They're only now reporting on it in 2024, when it's pretty much too late, where you gotta be scrambling. For those without the attention span to read all the way to the end, let's cut to the chase and get the main point out up front. China has more gold than the United States. Oh, y'all in for it. Y'all are in for it. But wait, there's more. There's more. I ain't done yet. Let me cook. See, I do the research for you so you don't have to. And that was Newsweek, by the way. Anybody want the source? Yeah, probably already seen it, but alright. jmbillion.com. Silver is flying off the shelves in China. November 28th, 2022. Are y'all paying attention now? Okay? Are you paying attention? Probably not. So let me give you some more so y'all can understand. Because you might be watching this and saying, here you go, this live stream ain't that interesting. Why he coming with this? It ain't that serious. Really? You wonder why US is scrambling right now? Why investing in silver is better than gold? Explain Navneet Damani and Motolal Aswal. I know I jacked up the name, but anyway. Silver can give a return of 15 to 18% this year, with a target of Rs 80,000 to Rs 85,000. Mind you, this article is from 2023. Okay? 2023. They're letting you know, but you're not paying attention. Let's continue. Let's gear up some more. Because some of y'all don't, y'all think, oh, the precious metals stuff, it ain't that serious right now. Let's see what else other people have to say. Let's see how serious it's really getting. These countries are buying up the world's gold. Let's see what countries are buying it up. Gold buying by central banks reached its highest level in 55 years this February 2023. Remember, this article is 2023. This article I actually put out August 6, 2023. According to the World Gold Council, the uptick in gold buying is part of a decades-long shift away from the US dollar as the world's primary reserve currency, and has coincided with the strengthening of emerging economies like Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. What is the acronym for that, people? BRICS, 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 BRICS. They've been lining y'all all up for years and telling their people to accumulate. Yes, South Africa has been accumulating a lot of gold and making actual gold coins and bars. They're billions. Let me continue. In recent week, members of BRICS Economic Coalition have announced plans to introduce a new alternative currency to further challenge the US dollar's role in primary world currency. Their money is looking to be backed by proper gold and silver. We already know, they done let you know, China has more gold than America already. I know some of y'all be like, that's nothing to be scared about. If only y'all know, boy. And y'all will remember this live stream, by the way. Y'all will remember this live stream. Central banks are buying up more gold than we thought. Central banks are buying up more gold than we thought. New data shows 800 tons were acquired in the first 9 months of 2023. What? Oh, what? Y'all see that? But I sure there's nothing to be worried about. It ain't that serious. Right? Ain't that serious. All right, let's see. Let's continue. This is November 4th, 2023. China is hoarding the world's gold. Wait, what? Huh? Could you repeat that? China? Wait. China is hoarding the world's gold? Y'all ain't paying attention. Y'all not paying attention. I'm going to put the link. I'm going to put the link for you one more again. So, y'all get it? Y'all understand? Y'all want to make sure you sign up and become members of At Course Metal. Let me put the link up for you. One more again. I pasted in there for you. Alright? This is serious, people. This is important. This is not something for you to take lying down, sitting back, thinking it's a joke. Now, I see this comment. Let me address this comment real quick. The U.S. is the second largest producers of gold in the world after South Africa. Jamie Coke don't want you to know about that. Why you call him Jamie Coke? You disrespectful. Well, I guess that's his name. You call him that. He don't want you to know about that, though. This is the crazy part. Y'all ready for this? The U.S. really ain't number 2 anymore. I'm going to leave that right there. I might be jumping the gun. Make sure y'all get the At Course medals. So, Where was I? Let me continue on even more. Bear with me, people. Ills of going live and such. Y'all know the deal. This, oh wait, it's going to get deeper, people. Listen, I've been accused of throwing people down the rabbit hole. Well, I'm drop kicking you down the rabbit hole tonight. You're going to get this work. Okay? You're going to feel it. I know it's going to hurt, but you'll be all right. You'll be all right. Trust me, you'll be all right. Let's get the rest of it going. Young Chinese sprung traditional investment in favor of gold, December 5th, 2023. Why are the young people buying up gold and silver in China? And you're not even teaching your young children to buy it. You're not even getting none of these to prepare for their future. You're not. I know you're not. But I guess that don't matter to you. Your children's future really don't matter much to you. And that's all right. I understand. I get it. No problem. You want them to be future brokies begging for a coin or two in Chinese. That's what you want. Or in Indian. Or in South African. Take your pick. Because it ain't going to be an American. Trust me on that one. Platinum prices. Just so y'all know, y'all. Platinum prices set to soar as Chinese strategic buying blindsides the industry. How much times we gonna keep hearing China, 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 China? I'm gonna read that again because I know it went over your heads. Platinum prices set to soar as Chinese strategic buying blindsides the industry, the whole industry. They've been sneaking. They've been sneakily buying it up. But you see, the more they buying, the price is going to shift. People are noticing and they're going to see where it's being bought up the most. Okay? So now the cat is out the bag. This is from January 9th, 2024. Come on, y'all. China has been stocking up on platinum for well over a decade, leaving prospects for the hydrogen economy a hostage to fortune. Listen, it ain't me, y'all. It's right here for you to see. They've been preparing for decades. They've been buying up all the silver, buying up all the gold, and buying up all the platinum. I mean, come on, man. What more proof do y'all need? But I'm still going to give you more. Because y'all need to understand this. Because don't think China is just, well, we know China, Russia, India, Brazil, South Africa. But in case you don't know, Mexico is in on it too. Everybody is in on it, but you know who the major players are. Silver prices down 2% as delayed Fed rates cut. Weak Chinese economy weigh on markets. Why is their economy weighing on our markets? So down 2%. As it dropped 2%, you know what China was doing? Buying it up. You know what Russia was doing? Buying it up. They're buying it up so fast, America can't get a chance to get their hands on it. That's how dread they moving. Okay? That's how dread they moving. This is from Kitco News. Let's continue on. Now, strap in, people. Oh, hold on to your hats. We're about to go deep now. I know that rabbit hole pretty deep. You still free falling, right? I got you. You ain't seen nothing yet. HSBC to launch tokenized gold. This is March 26, 2024. This went over so many people's heads. London headquarters HSBC is actively exploring various opportunities to convert real-world assets into digital form. One such area is tokenized gold, which it will introduce tomorrow to its retail segment. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Stay on that. Don't switch up now. Let me show you this article right here. Come on, man. There we go. HSBC introduces gold tokenized products. Ripple's medical deal draws attention from XRP enthusiasts. In case you don't know, HSBC, they're partnered with Ripple XRP. Ripple XRP acquired Medical. In order for HSBC to be the first bank in the entire world on this planet to deal with tokenized gold asset, they needed Medical. Who owns Medical? Ripple. HSBC has been working over the past year to tokenize real-world assets, RWAs, on blockchain technology aimed heightened demand by industry clients. That is why, I'm trying not to yell because y'all, y'all just don't get it. That's why getting the physical coins, silver, gold, platinum, palladium, especially silver and gold, especially out of all of them, silver, while it's still affordable to you, you could be a brokey and you could still get one of these a month. And if you had been getting one of these a month, the price of what you would be making, or if last year you've been buying one of these a month, you know how much money you would have? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. You see how Ripple XRP came into play? Remember, that's why I started the beginning of the live stream showing you what they did, right? Showing you that how I did the gold and silver stuff, showing you how Ripple XRP was implemented in it. The banking giant, check this out. The banking giant has praised the distributed ledger technology, DLT, which is similar to Ripple Labs backed XRPL to facilitate seamless FX transaction. How are they able to do this? They're using Medico. Who owns Medico? Ripple. Are you getting it now? Is it making sense to you now? No? Okay. Let me help you out some more. Because maybe you're on the time and y'all just don't get it. I understand. Listen, it happens. It happens. Let me pull this up for you. Maybe this will help you. HSBC to launch tokenized security custody service with Ripple-owned Medico. November 8th, 2023. You see that? They were already planning in 2023. They achieved it in 2024. But y'all still don't get it. Y'all still don't get it. It's all right. I'm going to help y'all. I'm going to help y'all out. I will help you out. If nobody else don't help you get it, Joel Benjamin 528 will. HSBC's gold token goes live for retail investors in where? Hong Kong. There we go again. China. HSBC gold token goes live for retail investors in Hong Kong. HSBC is claiming bragging rights for being the first bank to create a blockchain-based real-world asset aimed for retail investors. March 27th, 2014.
In a statement, the HSBC tokenized gold comes to Hong Kong and a crypto AI alliance. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasi. HSBC is tokenizing gold for everyday investors in Hong Kong and claiming bragging rights as the first bank to create a blockchain-based real-world asset aimed at the retail marketplace.
Y'all can hear
the
this?
tokenized gold product is available via the HSBC online banking and HSBC HK mobile app. In a statement, the HSBC Hong Kong head of wealth and personal banking, Maggie Ng, said, quote, "We are proud that HSBC Gold Token, powered by HSBC Orion, is the first retail product in Hong Kong that is based on distributed ledger technology as authorized by the Securities and Futures Commission," end quote. 3 firms are seeking to create an AI collective to provide a decentralized alternative to existing projects that are controlled by big tech. Fetch AI, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol agreed to merge their tokens in order to create the Alliance for Decentralized AI. Native tokens of all 3 firms will be merged into a new token called ASI, which stands for Artificial Super Intelligence. ASI will have a fully diluted market cap of around $7.5 billion. And Web3 project Munchables suffered a hack that resulted in $62.5 million worth of Ether lost after a contract was maliciously manipulated. Munchables said on X that the developer had shared all private keys to recover the funds. Blockchain sleuth ZachXBT said the attacker was likely North Korean based on their GitHub commit activity. They are listed on GitHub as Werewolves04.
I'ma leave it right there. You heard all that for yourself. Ocean Protocol, any of y'all that got that, they doing all these mergers. Everything have to be locked in and linked to XRP, even gold and silver. Imagine that. Imagine that. Who was screaming that to the rooftops to y'all from the very beginning? We're almost up over the hour mark. So let me hurry up and wrap this up. Let me give y'all this good sauce. This good sauce. Because as we know, I'm the sauce, right? Check this out. For y'all that be like, oh, how do you know what you talking about? Just more proof. Just to rub it in your face. This is routers. Ripple buys crypto custody firm Metaco for $250 million. When did they buy it? May 17th, 2023. Ah! U.S. crypto firm Ripple has bought New Zealand-based crypto custody firm Medical for 250 million in its first major acquisition, Ripple said on Wednesday. Medical makes technology which allow financial institutions to store and manage digital assets. Its clients include Citi, BNP Paribas, and Society Generale's digital asset arms. You see this bank right here? You know this is Citi. When they say Citi, this is Citibank, right? Y'all understand that Ripple is working with the three major banks in America. Chase, JP Morgan Chase, yes they are. Citi and Bank of America. Y'all do understand that, right? And you're like, but how is that? I didn't see. They own Medico. That went over my head, huh? That's how y'all acting. But remember, this is the reason why I do these live streams. Remember this. Remember I told you a major buyer at gold and silver is also Singapore? Okay? Remember, there's a Ripple Singapore gold and silver in your wallet. Remember, there's a Ripple Singapore. Okay? Don't forget that. Where they've been tying and testing the real world assets such as gold and silver with XRP. Hold on now. Bear with me. Ooh, listen, y'all thought I was hot before. It's about to get hotter. Look at all this information I'm giving you. And we went over the hour mark. Global identity verification and KYC compliance for Singapore, right? This is FinTech News. Ripple Singapore, the world's first Ripple gold and silver gateway. When was this article? October 5th, 2015. Come on now. Come on now. You think I overkilled it? I ain't done yet. I ain't done yet. Because y'all need to see this. For y'all that got short attention spans, that's okay. You don't need to be here. That's why you're a brokey now. This is from July 30th, 2014. You can now use Ripple to buy, spend, and trade gold. That's from 2014. Okay? That's from 2014. All of these banks, all of these countries is working with Ripple. They're buying up all the gold and silver. Y'all still don't get it yet. Ripple XRP platform to begin trading gold and silver. This is September 14th, 2019. Okay? I don't know what more proof y'all need, but I'm going to give y'all some more. I ain't going to leave y'all in the dust. I got you. Your boy got you. Your boy got you. Come on, man. See, I be needing help. Someone to help me out. Throw up the links. It's a reason why XRP always glitching. Because in the backdrop, they're using their own distributed ledger with the real price and value of XRP. That's why it's always glitching. Look at this. XRP price glitched to over $17,000 for a moment on prominent gold exchange. Why is XRP glitching up to 7? No other crypto on the gold exchange glitching. But for some reason, XRP, which I told you they're suppressing the price, it glitched to over $70,000. This was in October 2023. And I know y'all didn't hear about this. Okay? Come on. If y'all can't see and read the writing on the wall, then I don't know what else to tell you. You shouldn't even be watching this live stream if that's the case. But I'm going to give you more info. Now you know why China, Russia, Singapore, and all these other countries is dealing with Ripple, and America is dealing with Ripple on the low. Let's not forget, Ripple have the deal with the U.S. Navy where they outsource to make microchips to a company in Denmark called BuyChip, so where they could put the implantable payment system chip in your hand. What is Ripple doing? Teaming up with the U.S. Navy. I ain't ever gonna let y'all forget that. Anyway, Ripple partners with BPG Group for tokenization of precious metals. This is April 4th, 2018. I showed this before. I'm only showing it again so it can hit home for you, so you can get a better understanding. This is just a quick refresher for those who haven't seen it before. You're gaining some knowledge because they've been testing this the whole time. Ripple enters the metal trading market with largest partnership. This article is from 6 years ago. Come on, y'all. Best known for its use within the banking and financial sector, Ripple has recently partnered with Slavic company BPG Group. This is not to be taken lightly. This is their X account, formerly known as Twitter. BPG set to launch a new Ripple gateway called E-Metals. Look when they posted this up. 2018. Come on, man. Y'all better pay attention to what's going on with this gold and silver and realize this is why you got to click that link I gave you. I'm going to give it to you again. This is BPG launches gold XAU trading on Ripple. XAU is the symbol for gold, for those who don't know. Okay? People, here it is right here. They're telling you. They even telling you how to purchase using XRP. Look how long ago they've done this. But they're not the only one that did it. I showed it again. Let me put it up here for you again. Here's the next company that's doing it. Swiss Gold. Buy gold with Ripple. Okay? Placing an order for precious metals on swissgold.eu using XRP. Yeah. I know you're still free falling. It's all right. And as you're free falling, you're seeing all the crazy stuff going by. Imagine when you hit the bottom, right? I know. Ripple obtained full license to operate in Singapore as it expands in Asia Pacific. This article is from October 3rd, 2023. Now, mind you, Ripple said on Wednesday that it has obtained a full license to operate in Singapore, its Asian Pacific headquarters, since 2017. Come on, people. Come on. Come on. The Singaporean government? And this is all while they're still going on with this SEC lawsuit. This so-called, that's why I'm saying, yo, this shit ain't real, man. This is fake. That's fake news. Fake conflict. Now, you're about to hit the bottom of the rabbit hole. AI surge to fuel precious metals demand in 2024. Let me put the link up for you again. You gotta be a damn goofy if you don't sign up to this. I'm gonna tell y'all right now. There you go. It's right there for you. I put the link up. They're letting you know. AI, I already told y'all with the electronics and everything with the silver. Silver is going to boost this year. And when you get the silver, you have the physical. You gotta have a way where you could sell it. Not a lot of people will buy it back and give you the right set of money. A matter of fact, look at this. Check this out. Let me stop sharing this screen for a second. And let me share this screen. Because y'all ain't going to believe me. Anybody ever read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad? By Robert Kiyosaki? And people, please forgive me. I be trying to give y'all the quickest of quickest live stream. But it's so much information. I got to do it like this. I got to give you. I'm already 19 minutes over the hour mark. And y'all now hitting the bottom of the rabbit hole. Robert Kiyosaki. Silver, the best bargain. Silver is not only a precious metal, it is also an industrial metal and a strategic metal. With war all around the world, demand for silver is soaring. Recently, Elon Musk's company Tesla just secured rights to several silver mines to ensure the metal for Tesla EVs. Silver is still 60% below its all-time high, and almost everyone in the world can afford one silver coin. One. Time to buy more silver? Take care. That's Robert Kiyosaki, y'all. Robert Kiyosaki been snitching. Okay? This was put out, I'm going to give you the time. 5:42 p.m. March 19th, 2024. Guess what? From Auckland, New Zealand. He out there in New Zealand, y'all. He's out there in New Zealand, y'all. And y'all still don't get it. Y'all still gonna sit here, play stupid, beat the mode, and not get you one of the silver American Eagle coins and the MS. You want to buy MS 70? Hell, get the gold. I already showed y'all the 1 ounce gold bar I have. That's all I'm going to show you. I shouldn't have even showed you this. This. When this go up, you won't know what to do. You gotta go someplace where you're gonna get the most money for your value, and that's at Course Metals. You click that link, we repost it for you again. You click that link, sign up. Just sign up for the 12-month one. Trust me, as you buy, the silver goes up. The G is you sell the silver right back to them, and they give you the spot. Just a tiny niche below spot price. Nowhere else is doing that for you. But you know what? What the hell do I know? Right? Let's see something here. Let's see something here. Everybody know about AmpMex. 100 ounce silver bar. $3,011.46. Right? You know about Gold Core. Alright? Wait. 1 ounce. The spot price is $2,627.10. Buy price, that's how much you're going to buy it for. You're not getting it at spot price. You're going to come up off of $2,955.49. They're selling it a little cheaper than AmpMex, right? Then you know you got Great American Gold. You always see the Great American Gold. Right from Great American Gold. That dude with the deep voice. 100 ounce, right? Silver Eagle bar. $3,579.25. Now, mind you, this article, artificial intelligence to boost silver demand. Silver could hit $100 an ounce thanks to AI. But let's get back to these prices, right? So we saw those prices for the 100-ounce silver bar. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Watch this. Because now, since we've seen those prices, what price does this company got it for at Costco? Let's see. Share my screen so you see what I see as usual. Now I know you just got hit real hard. That fall hit real hard. I know it hurts, but it's all right. You'll be all right. Let's see. 100-ounce silver bar premium. That's the good stuff. How much does it cost? Now let me go all the way up here so you can see. At AACM, at cost metal sell price, at cost metal buyback price. Here's spot. How much for that silver? Look at that. Look at that. $2,676.38. Buyback. Look right here. Okay. $2,616.38. Spot 26.36. So $26.36. And of course, once that price goes up, you know those prices going to shift and fluctuate. 1 ounce gold bar. Where are you getting the gold bar cheaper than this? Costco don't have it cheaper than this. Walmart don't have it cheaper than this. None of them have it cheaper than this. $2,308.77? Huh? Are you serious? And here go the coin. That's the bar. That's the bar. Here go the coin, the gold coin. Right? This is a 1 ounce gold buffalo. 20 piece. $2,418.26. The gold eagle one, 1 ounce gold eagle coin now, $2,366.80. Nowhere you're getting it cheaper than that. Nowhere. I just use this ounce silver bar as an example, but nowhere you're getting it cheaper than that. Nowhere. It's not happening. I'm showing you the sell price, the buyback price, and you see what the spot is. Okay? You're not getting it any cheaper. Period. At all. But some of y'all don't get it. Some of y'all still don't get it. Some of y'all still gonna make me come up on here and I gotta give you proof after proof after proof after proof. So this concludes. Wait, I think I got one more. Let me see. Let me see. Because there's no need for me to do this live stream again. All y'all that think y'all just gonna have y'all little lump gold and think you gonna get The actual price of that, you bugging. See, once again. Oh, come on, man. All these commercials. AI, this is Reuters. AI boom could feed precious metal demands. Metal focus. Mine. And this they've been telling you since October 25th, 2023. People. Come on now. Come on now, people. Don't make me do the Tyrese. What more do you want from me? Look, silver may surge to $100 thanks to AI. Look at the next article here. I'm done. I'm already a minute over the hour, 30-minute mark. Let me put up this for you again. Y'all want to sign up ASAP. Do not delay. Make your subscription. Alright? And when you do that, you'll be able, you should be able to buy a bunch of silver right now. If you telling me the price of what silver is right now for the silver coins, you telling me you don't have that where you could buy at least an Eagle, American Eagle coin a month. You just on brokey mode, yo. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not able to help you. And this is the MS, by the way. This is the MS 71. Okay? You have no excuse. You click the link. Check it. Put the link up in here. Let's see. Okay? You do that. You fill it out. You put your address. If you want, you have to mail it to you. All that extra charge, all that's dead. And you can have your own referral code. Not only that, you can choose to sell the gold and silver as well. You sign up, you're there, whatever. People could get it from you. You getting it for way cheaper anywhere else already. You charge them a little more on it. Or you could put them onto this like how I'm putting you onto this. Okay? So you choose a referral name, okay? You put your email, you make your password, put your first and last name, put your address. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. You click next, and then you fill out the rest of information. Going forward, you choose if you want the 12-month or whatever it is. Super cheap. You got no excuse. You really got no excuse at this point. Okay? People. Joel Benjamin 528, aka Big Money Benjamin. Salute to the international audience, the domestic, the Rumble audience, and the YouTube audience. Don't forget, if y'all haven't got that CryptoProLife@gmail.com, that latest course that they have, shame on you. You done lost a lot of money. But you could still gain some more money because people even got, the ones who've gotten it late, they've been making money. And funny, they released the bonus, and what did they have there on the bonus? XLM and XRP. They made sure they threw that up there again. So it's gearing for a pump. When silver and gold pump, XRP is not going to have no choice to pump. They're not going to be able to suppress it much longer. XRP ties in with the precious metal market, people. For those who don't want to sign up, and you're like, you know what, to hell with it. You know, I don't want to sign up, which will be stupid to digital mode. You want to contact me, and you want to get for a nice, cheap, low price, because you're not getting it for that low price unless you're a member, by the way. But you want it from me, I'll give it to you a low price. You know, I'll probably make a little something, you know, just a little something for my troubles. You know what I'm saying? Ain't like you gonna get it cheaper from Costco, Walmart, AppMax, American Gold, none of them places any damn way. Your gold and silver. So if you don't want to sign up for membership, get it from me. I ain't gonna blast you up there with prices. What the hell do I know? Joel Benjamin 528, aka Big Money Benjamin. Salute to the international audience. Salute to the domestic. Peace.